Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell. Because if you ring that bell, you get all my videos, including this one. And this video is all about life. Hey, I'm your life coach, sir. I'm not just a chef today. Today, I'm your life coach. And here's what life's about. Motivation. Why do you do anything? Why do you do things to keep yourself healthy? Why do you eat a certain way? Because you're motivated. And what motivates everyone is different. What motivates me may not motivate you. What motivates you may not motivate me. But last night, I'm watching Netflix, which I do a lot, maybe too much. And when I'm not watching Judge Judy, I'm watching Netflix. So last night on Netflix, I saw this program called The Game Changers. Now, the opening credits come down, and you got people who were working on this project like Arnold Schwarzenegger, Jackie Chan. Hey, how about James Cameron? Great director. And a bunch of other people. Big time names. So you know it's going to be a very good production. And it was. And it was all about being healthy, being vegan, and eating right. And that's wonderful. And it kind of motivated me. So today, vegan tuna fish. You kidding me? We're going to make it delicious. It's going to be good for you. It's going to be very healthy. Low fat. No fish in it. Just vegan. That's wonderful. I even got good bread to put it on. Got to have that. So, I'm motivated today. Trying to get you motivated today. Let's eat healthy. Let's make vegan tuna fish. Let's get cooking. Hey, I like that voice. It's pretty good. Alright, first thing we gotta do, we gotta make mayonnaise, baby. Now, not with fat and eggs. That's out. You know what's in? Tofu. I got my handy dandy blender here. We're gonna use this to make good mayonnaise. We're gonna add tofu. Now, this is firm tofu. Hey, don't use extra firm. If you use extra firm, your mayonnaise will be lumpy. At the same time, I don't want to use silken tofu. That's what a lot of people use for mayonnaise. I don't want to use it. Silken tofu is pretty good for a salad dressing, but mayonnaise I want to bind. So I want it to be thick. So I use a firm tofu. Not extra firm, but not silken either. Right in the middle. That's awesome. And I add that. Okay, I'm also going to add the juice of half a lemon. And please use fresh lemon juice for this. 1 teaspoon sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon dry mustard. Dry mustard is this stuff here. Good stuff. Dry mustard. And a good grinding of black pepper. Hey, check that out. Nice and creamy. That's what you want. Beautiful. Nice and creamy. And pretty thick. I'm holding the bowl like sideways. That's pretty thick. Good job. Okay, it's time to make the tuna fish. When I'm using tuna fish, we're going to use chickpeas, right? Very good. A lot of fiber. Nice. A lot of protein. Nice. Let's make chickpea tuna fish. Hey, don't laugh. It's not funny. I'm serious. I'm making tuna fish out of chickpeas. You kidding me? Gonna be very healthy. Let's get to it. Okay, I start with 2 cans of chickpeas. Hey, I'm using Goya chickpea. It's a good brand. You can use any brand you want. You thought this potato mash was only for potatoes. It's for chickpeas as well. Now, I want to mash these, but I don't want them smooth, right? I want it like to have little chunks in it. Okay. Now I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Hey, don't forget, use fresh lemon juice, all right? I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Hey, my Dijon mustard, Grey Poupon. Hey, Grey Poupon's the best. Listen, this dish is not heated. It's not cooked with heat. It's cooking, because cooking is basically making food more palatable, okay? Easier to eat. And what you're doing here is you're making a delicious salad, tuna salad. So it's going to be easier to eat than just, you know, plain mustard, plain chickpeas, just plain food. No, we're processing it into something that's delicious. So that's cooking too, but we're not using heat. So every ingredient's going to really stand out. So use the best ingredient. Grey Poupon mustard. I love this stuff. 2 teaspoons. 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped. I have a 1/4 cup each, chopped onion, red onion, and chopped celery. I have here a 1/4 cup of dill, fresh dill, very nice. Notice it's not like chopped too fine. When I chop dill too fine, it has a grassy kind of taste. So I don't chop it too fine, just rough chop it. So about a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Oh, very nice. A couple of turns on the pepper mill. Give this a little mix. Mix these ingredients together first. Okay, that's nice. Woo! That's looking good already. Hey, if you want to add some other ingredients like a grated carrot, like chopped broccoli, you could do that too. Not a problem. Sometimes in my tuna fish, I make what I call a California tuna fish, where I add some chopped red peppers and chopped broccoli fresh, nice crunch, into a tuna fish. Man, it's good. Very good. So if you want to add a little something, hey, how about radishes? That's awesome. You want to add something to this? No problem. Just cut it very small. You don't want a big chunk of something in this tuna fish, so cut it very small. Let's add the mayonnaise now. Oh, I'm getting so excited. Okay, I'm going to add the mayonnaise. I'm going to add it like 1 big tablespoon at a time. See that? Okay, I add it. I mix it. I see how it is. I don't want it too mayonnaisey, right? It doesn't need too much mayonnaise. Don't forget the most important part of cooking, right? Gotta taste it. You know what? It tastes a little like tuna fish. It's actually very good. Okay, so at this point, if it's too dry, you can add a little more mayonnaise. If you need more salt, add more salt. You like black pepper, add black pepper, whatever you like. Make it your own, right? Add what you want to add. You want to add some hot sauce to it? Be my guest. That's what cooking's all about, you know. Making it taste the way you want it to taste. This tuna puts a smile on my face. Wonderful. Okay, the bread I'm using today, I'm using whole wheat bread, Dave's Killer Bread. Hey, Dave's Killer Bread is not a sponsor of this show, but I happen to love their bread. Hey, maybe I'll give them a call, make them a sponsor. That would be awesome. Okay, anyway, I love Dave's Killer Bread. Very good, good flavor, hearty, very nice bread. Whole wheat bread, the whole wheat bread is awesome. Okay, so, and while they're toasting, I'm going to slice up some tomato and get some lettuce ready. Okay, that toast is ready and looking beautiful. Okay, all I have to do now, I get a nice scoop of tuna fish. And got my tomato. Beautiful, look at that tomato, beautiful, beautiful color. I have some spring mixed lettuce here, gonna be awesome. Put that right on top. Look at that sandwich. That looks amazing. Hey, I'm gonna eat this like right now. I'm really hungry and this is amazing stuff. Hey, great food. I was motivated. You gotta get motivated, man. Don't forget to check out that show on Netflix, right? Game Changers. So awesome. You're gonna love that. And check out my next video. It's also a sandwich. It's a pastrami sandwich made with mushroom. Ah, fantastic. Fantastic stuff. And I'll see you there. Let's eat. Let's eat. Check that out. Delicious. Mmm.